Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. To import your own 3D models for usage in Depence², just follow the coming steps. Let's start with a model from Cinema 4D. As you can see, we have already prepared a 3D model, which we will now import into your Depence² project. Different materials were already applied to the surfaces of the model. This is especially important for the import process, as Depence² will merge all 3D models according to their applied materials by default. Furthermore, you will need to check the project settings of Cinema 4D. Here, the project scale parameter needs to have the value of 1 cm. Now, head to File and click on Export. In this case, we will choose the FBX format. If not selected, please choose the 7.4 2014 FBX version and click on OK. In the next step, switch to your Depence² project and select Objects, Import 3D Model and open the file you have just saved. You will see an import window pop up where you can change different parameters such as the scale factor or the sorting method. The sorting method will always be set to materials by default, which is the best method performance-wise. Another option is to sort the different layers of the 3D model by hierarchy as it is arranged in your 3D software. By hitting Import Animations, you may also import existing bone animations which are contained in your 3D model. Select Compress Textures will thereby result in compressing all textures of your 3D model into a DDS format. This may take a little bit of time depending on your system. As soon as you click on Import, your 3D model will be automatically placed in the center of the 3D world. You now may choose a location, just use the pivot to place your model wherever you like. You will also notice that the 3D model and all its layers are automatically listed as a group. To apply your own materials onto the surface of the 3D object, just open your library, choose the material you would like to add and drag and drop it onto the model. In the next step, we will have a look on how to import a 3D model from SketchUp. We will use an example from the SketchUp warehouse. As you can see, we again will import an architectural scenery. In difference to Cinema 4D, Depence² supports the native SketchUp format, so you won't need to export a specific format. Just go to Objects, Import 3D Model and head to your SketchUp folder. Selecting the SKP 3D model you would like to import, notice that importing may take a while. Again, your 3D model is automatically placed within the 3D world of Depence². All meshes will be grouped by material. This is not only valid for SketchUp files, but also for other formats. In this way, it's very easy to replace materials with your own designs from the library.